Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Disney Plus paying video completely silent with no sound at all? Here's the fix. First, check the physical mute switch on the side of your phone and make sure that it isn't flipped to silent. Then use the volume buttons to confirm your media volume is turned all the way up. Next, go to your settings, then go to Bluetooth and check if you're connected to a Bluetooth device you're not actually using, since your audio can silently get routed there instead of your phone speaker. Tap the eye next to any connected device and tap disconnect if needed. Force close Disney Plus from your recent apps and reopen it fresh, since a stuck audio session often clears on a relaunch. If sound is still missing, go to your settings, then scroll down and tap focus. Now go through each mode you use and confirm that it isn't silencing app sounds. Finally, restart your phone completely to clear any deeper audio session conflict. So all you've got to do is check your mute switch and volume, disconnect stray Bluetooth, force close and reopen, and restart if needed. Sound is back, and that's it. Subscribe.